I don't know if you guys can hear me, but as you can see, we're on the boat. And today is going to be all kinds of fun, mostly going to be montages, so be prepared. Ooh, I'm going down here. Grandma, don't fall over now. So we are jet skiing.
There, now you got your eye locked first.
Oh, my cousin's over there.
Chloe! Hi!
I look a little crazy. My hair looks a little, now that my hair got wet, it looks a little nappy nap. Ooh, shoot, I'm about to fall down.
Alright, you need goggles. Yeah, you need goggles too. Maybe if I get more shallow,
It's
it'll be
recording
less
you right
murky.
now.
Hey.
Go under the boat and do it. Like,
Oh
swim
shit,
through.
don't put me on this channel.
You hear me?
I look a hot mess. We're going on
Too late.
guys.
Get
Woo!
it?
Okay, hold on. Looks like I got no top lip, y'all.
There.
Hell yeah. You want to be on her channel? Okay.
Let me get my shit on.
Alright, world. This
Like
is
cussing.
Florida with the sunshine you can't see.
Sunshine State. I can't get
I hear a baby crying who abducted a child. Anybody?
I can't even freaking.
Hey, Kiana. Hey, this is our YouTuber right here, guys.
Can you help me? My head. Oh my gosh, she hit her head.
Alright, get that. Sit. Set. Get that! Work, sis, work! Woo!
I'm so weak. Ew, what are you doing?
My knee.
Ooh, I look rough. Why my hair look red?
What do you think?
Chilling in the lanai. What's up, guys? I know I look really weird with these earrings in, but today on the jet skis I lost my other earring, which is my favorite earrings. Pretty sad about that, but I'm just sitting out here. I'm actually babysitting my cousin's baby again, but this time I offered just because usually she takes it with her to work. It's hard to describe. I'm not going to talk about all her business, but some of the footage I got today of my cousin and her friend, I didn't really go swimming in the pool when they were swimming, so if you thought you seen me, you most likely didn't. But we went on the jet skis today. Most of the stuff I have is like montages and time lapses, just because on the boat and stuff it's hard to hear the wind and the water, and yeah. So if I can find their Instagrams, I'll put their Instagrams on the screen for them. So yeah, well, I know Sierra's Instagram, I just don't know her friend's Instagram. Guys, I'm getting ready to end this vlog for today. I don't know if you guys could tell, I didn't vlog yesterday. Oh my gosh, I didn't vlog yesterday because I didn't post today. But yeah, I didn't vlog yesterday. I just wanted today to, you know, actually enjoy with my family. And then today I got as much as I could while we were on the boat, but I also wanted to enjoy being with my family. So, I'm about to lose my streak. Yeah, I had a really eventful day today. So yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog. So my favorite part of today was probably the fact that I got to hang out with my cousin Sierra, because I haven't seen her in a very long time, and I got to meet her baby finally. I mean, I met her like 2 days ago, but today we went on the boat, we rode jet skis together, and yeah, it was a fun day. Everything about today was pretty much my favorite part. It was a good day. So I don't think I'll be vlogging again until we leave. So I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog, and if you haven't seen the 2 other vlogs I posted since I've been here, go check them out, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.